so I want to make sure I pronounce your name correctly. So it's Robenson Lauvince.
In Creole, it's Robenson Lauvince.
Lauvince.
Yeah, you got the Lauvince right.
All right,
but
perfect.
It's Robenson, you know what I mean?
So you're the producer and director. So I literally just saw the private screening and my head is still spinning right now. It's like there's certain scenes that I don't want to give it away, but I was like, what did I just see? What did I just watch? And so what inspired you to start this project?
I took it as an opportunity, and as I often says, this is not a movie for me. I've done few feature films. I have a TV series and everything, but this one, when they call me up for this project, I'm like, this isn't a movie, this is a movement, because as a Haitian director, I've always seen how we're being misrepresented. And not just Haiti, the whole Caribbean. Like the big dogs from Hollywood comes and tell our story however they want, you know what I mean? As a Haitian, they assassinated the president of my country, and I felt like that was an opportunity to really tell the story, to really be like super authentic about it. We have the culture there, the respects, the real stuff, because we have a Haitian writer on board, Haitian director, Haitian actors. Most of them are Haitian actors. The inspiration came from the event that happened, and also took it as an opportunity to tell a story about our nation.
I would hear stuff about Haiti and the community, and just seeing the story, I was like, oh.
Yeah.
So I was able to see it in a different light from the outside looking in. So thank you for that. And there was one line that really stuck out to me in the movie, and it's a line that says, Haiti is a black country, but indirectly it is ruled by white people.
That's the truth.
Yeah, and I was like, whoa, that one line,
yes,
you know?
Ma'am. I don't want to give out the movie because I want people to watch it. There's so much to learn about us as a nation. It's like they make it seems like we're the majority, and the little, 5%, they control everything. And they turn us against each other, they kill each other. That's why at the end it was like openly said, you know what I'm saying? You're also capable of killing yourselves, you know what I'm saying? So
It was it just left everything to the imagination.
Yeah, we're having a world premiere in Miami. Exclusively, I can say that first week of March.
Okay.
We're having like a major premiere in Miami. Then we're gonna go to Film Festival run with it. Yes.
Well, super excited, y'all. My head is still spinning. You have to support this film. It is phenomenal. It will leave you thinking like, wait, what? You know. So again, thank you so much for the storyline. Please continue to tell the Haitian story.
Yes, I mean I feel like that's my purpose now. Seeing us as a director being misrepresented. That's why I give it up to One Love. They have a movie about Castro coming from Cuba. I feel like Caribbean filmmakers, it's time for us to tell our story. 2025.
Authenticity. Tell our story from actual people from the Caribbean.
Yes,
That's what we need.
We live there, we know what it is, and then we're the one that can tell those stories better, nobody else.